Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by checking your monitor model and the USB 5V power source so the strip won't overload the port. Once you have the LED strip, controller, 5V USB cable, and mounting tape, cut the strip at the marked cut points to match the bar length. Make sure polarity is correct. Match plus 5V and G and D. Use heat shrink or solder for a solid connection, and test the strip with USB power for a few seconds so you confirm functionality before mounting. Once the strip is tested, position it where it gives the best backlight, top edge or just behind the bezel for even diffusion. Peel the adhesive backing and press firmly, holding pressure for 30 seconds so the 3M bonds. Route the USB cable along the monitor seam or through the stand channel and secure with 2 small zip ties or clips to prevent sagging. If you want softer light, add a 1/4 frosted diffuser strip in front. This evens hot spots and improves color blending. To finish, plug the USB into a stable 5V port or powered hub and configure color and brightness on the controller. You'll want about 10–30% for bias lighting or higher for accent. Once done, angle the light so it doesn't reflect on the screen. If the strip flickers or fails, first check polarity and solder joints, then confirm the USB supplies a steady 5V and enough current. Swapping ports or adding a powered hub usually fixes power issues. Replace faulty segments if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.